Okay, today we're going to uh, do a practice on hot air station. Okay, we are not using any solder station. We try to use hot air. Okay, we're gonna try with this 820 ohms resistor. Okay, we're gonna try and put 10 resistor and see how many can we succeed to do it. Okay, but before that we have to prep the traces with the solder. Okay, we're gonna do 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is 6 8 10. Okay, so we have to pre-apply solder first onto all this spot. Let's see, can we successfully install the resistor without getting the resistor fly away. Okay, pre-apply solder. Looks good. By the way, I changed my solder wire from mechanics to Asahi. Okay, this is Asahi solder wire. I want to compare which one is after solder more shining, okay, and more better for the job. Okay, once we're done prep, we're gonna make it round, nice and smooth. Okay, this one need a bit more. Okay, once we're done, on the hot air. I think we're gonna do the top one first. Since we got solder already, so we don't have to apply anymore first, and let's try. Okay, there's one solder ball here. I'll take out this one. Uh, 300. I make it 400 degree. Okay, hold the resistor. Okay, hot air in. I try. Okay, one side melted. Okay, we take out. Wait for it cool. Okay, and then we press down and we apply heat again. Okay, we take out, let it cool. I think it's done. There's a solder block here. Okay, we don't care about it. It doesn't make any much effect. We just take it out. Actually, this solder wire is not bad. The Asahi, you can see it's very shining. The solder joint. If it's very shining, that means the quality is very good. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Put it in place. Wait for the solder to melt. Okay, I think it's almost time. Okay, one side melted, the other side. Okay. Okay, gonna let go, let it stick. No, it's not sticking yet. Hold again. Oh, it stick already. Okay, gonna press it down first. Okay, and then we apply hot air. Okay, hold on. Apply hot air. Okay, and then it's done. So we'll try the third one. Mhm. Mhm. Actually, hot air is not bad. It's quite easy to solder, but some parts like let's say HDMI port or some other components, it will melt the plastic, so it's not recommended to use the hot air station like HDMI port, SD card slot. You know, if you use the heat, if you don't know adjust how to control the heat and the timing, so you burn out the plastic, so it destroy the item. Okay, once it's done, let it cool down a while. Okay, press down. Okay, let go, let it cool down. Okay, see, nicely done. Okay, this is the fourth one. And this side. Actually, it's faster than solder, in my opinion. But for resistor or there's one problem. Let's say if there's an aluminium cap beside it and you cannot use hot air, so the only thing you can do is the using solder iron. Okay, press it, apply hot air. Okay, started, let go. Okay, done. Let's say there's an aluminum cap here. So if you're using a hot air, the aluminum cap will blow out. So it's very dangerous. So you cannot use hot air on this method. Okay, I'll do another one. We're gonna do 10 actually, and we compare with the one with the solder. Okay, let go. Oh, okay, my bad. I let go too early. Okay, okay, press it. Okay, I think it's good. Continue for the next one. So after we practice with hot air, we practice with solder iron, so maybe we can start to repair some components on the real motherboard. Like I got an ASIC motherboard, which is no power, the controller board no power. So I'm gonna try to find out which one is the problem and replace the parts if I manage to do it. Okay, hold it out. Hot air. Okay, melted. Put it in. Let go. Okay, done. Press it. Hot air. Okay. Hmm. You see the solder wire? This Asahi solder wire is actually it's very good, man. It's shining and I mean it's better than the mechanic on the previous one I used. You know. the quality is there. No, if you want to know is a good solder wire, the moment it shine brightly, that's a good quality solder wire. Okay, my hot air is about, let me see, 1 inch plus above the component with 400 degrees Celsius, and air speed is 60%. Oh, you see, actually it's very easy with hot air station, so much faster. And it's also, the joint is so much nicer and much more solid than I'm using the solder tools, solder iron. Okay, okay, it's in place. And the last one. So after my third time practice, I mean my hand is much better, more stable than the first time and the second time. Okay, see, it's done. Okay, okay, let's do the cleanup and see. Is it nice? Okay, from here I saw one is not that good. Actually, it's this one, this side, you see, on the right hand side. But it's still solid. It's still very solid. Never mind. Let me clean up first. Compared to, you see, this is the first time I'm using the solder iron with the mechanic solder wire. It's not as shiny as this Asahi. Okay, Asahi is much more shinier, the joint, you see. Okay. Actually, it's very simple to use hot air. The most simple is hot air. The most hard is the solder uh, solder iron, because you need to have a steady hand of a tweezer and a steady hand of a soldering station, you know. So if you can master the solder iron technique, I guess the hot air is not a big problem. Okay, so since I'm already done here, then why not just complete it? I try to complete the practice board, finish it as fast as possible, and then I can really move on to the repair. Okay, pre-apply the solder wire, solder lead, and then actually I'm not sure, is it, you know, you see someone others than mine video, when they solder the joint here, you see the solder joint is very round, it's very shining. I guess maybe is it part of it is a solder wire brand. I bought another one, but I have to wait for the shipping come. So just to compare which one is the best to use. I'm not sure if the flux have a big issue in here, because I have flux here, but the solder joint, you see, It's not as dry as I expected, and my solder iron is on 350 degree. I don't want to use up to 450, so 350 is actually more than enough. Okay, so I'm gonna take another 10 set here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh my god, it stick to the solder iron. So when the solder iron stick the resistor, that means I have to use alcohol and wipe it out, clean it up, and then I redo it, put back. Okay, there's one here. I think I'm gonna complete this 10, and then that's it for the video. And tomorrow onwards, I think I can start do on the real stuff. I have much more confidence right now for solder, because I can either use the hot air or I can use the solder iron. Wait, 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 wait. Okay, press it. Apply heat, hot air. Okay, one. Although it's not like better than factory, but at least I got the job done. You know, this is for own self repair is okay, but if you, let's say, want to do business with this type of technique, actually it's quite embarrassed, and people will say, oh, what the heck, this guy, the skill is so bad, although the job is done, but people like to see better than factory. But as a newbie, what can you do, man? Oops. Okay, too much. Okay, let go the tweezer. Then move on to the next. So far, I hope you guys enjoy this my video. Actually, I'm also making good progress. The more I solder, the more I start to get addicted to it. It's quite like a surgeon, like professional job. You never know. You can repair key fob. You can repair. Oh, why my finger going down? Let go. Okay. Okay. Can repair some other equipment like HDMI port for monitor for PS4, PS5, PS2, PS3, for microscope, for monitor, for TV. You can do a lot of things with your skill. Okay, I just clip one resistor and it flew. I couldn't find already. I don't know where it go. It's not done by the hot air. The hot air didn't blow the resistor away. It's actually my finger holding this resistor. You have to adjust the power of a tweezer, because if you're holding too hard, it will actually snap and fly away to I don't know where. You cannot even find, because it's too small. The component is too small. So my right side is a bit numb, my hand. So I should, rest it like 5 minutes and then continue again. This is actually, I think, it's quite common for newbie, because we don't know how to adjust the power of the tweezer. um I don't know, man. For me, yes, my right right hand start to numb. So the more you do it, the numb will gone. Once it's gone, you can continue to do, much longer time until the next numb sensation coming out. I don't know. Is my way of sitting, the way of handle the angle. I mean the angle of this holding the shoulder and the tweezer and the sit, the posture. I'm not sure does it play a part on it, but I'm still learning. I'm still trying. Okay. For this board, uh, you can use maybe 300 degree up to 400, because this board is maybe single layer or double layer. Is very thin, so you don't actually need that much of heat. If GPU, let's say a MOSFET problem, you want to remove the MOSFET. If you set to 400 degree or 450, 450, you never pull the MOSFET out. You had to set up to 480 to 500 C. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you already. The last one don't know fly where. I'm gonna take another new one. Okay. Is actually my finger quite numb, but it's so much better than my first day. Okay, the last one. Let's see. Okay, job done. Yeah. Ooh, very numb. My right hand is very numb. So I guess my limit is maybe currently one shot is about maybe 10 resistor I can solder. After that I have to take a rest, a break, like maybe 5 minutes until my hand numbness gone, and then keep on continue. Actually it's practice make perfect. That's how we do everything, right? Nobody will just be born and just he know everything. Nobody, unless he's God. But God exists, but they will never come and meet you. If they come and meet you, I will ask for give me a lot of money, man. I'm not gonna do this. But I might do this for free time, for hobby, but turn into business from my I judge myself is about maybe 50% from what a business should have, 50% of skills and knowledge. So I won't start a company yet, because if I do start and then I can't repair, and the effect like this, the solder joints like that, people will write you bad review. So I like to start it, at least I have 80%, 90% skill, and from there every day you just repair and upgrade your skill until you become a pro. That's what I thought. See, actually it's very nice with this solder wire. So everything is shining compared to this one. Okay, this one need to clean. This one is mechanic brand. Mechanic brand still okay. It's quite shining also. Hmm? It's quite shiny also. It's good actually. This is what we do yesterday. The jumping wire. Okay. I think my part is done here. So tomorrow I will try to fix the real one. I will start with controller board. There's one controller board here, not one, there's few. Plug in the 6-pin power supply in, there's no power, and some of them the SD card couldn't read the memory card, and some of them need to change the NAND chip. What is NAND chip? Okay, this is let me show you. Where is my NAND chip? Okay. This is the NAND chip. Okay. NAND chip is like you can put to pen drive, CCTV, IP camera, microscope which can record. Actually, I don't know, there's a lot of device, especially talk about memory stuff like storage stuff, they always have a NAND chip. So NAND chip is not easy to do because if you compare the leg with the NEC, let me show you. Where's the NEC? Okay, this is the NEC. Do you see the difference? Do you see how small the leg? So I'm not sure I'm gonna use a hot air because I might damage this NAND chip. So I most probably have to one by one and solder. Oh, this is for the next video or another next video, I'm not sure, because tomorrow I'm gonna fix the no power control board. Okay, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.